Hey there, Dino enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a prehistoric mystery that's had scientists scratching their heads for years. How did dinosaurs sleep? I mean, we've all seen those massive T-Rex skeletons in museums, but have you ever wondered how these giant creatures caught some Z's? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through time to uncover the secrets of dinosaur slumber. It's not like we can just set up a hidden camera in the Jurassic period, right? So how do scientists figure this stuff out? First off, let's talk about what we do know. Dinosaurs were diverse creatures, ranging from tiny chicken-sized dinos to the colossal sauropods that could reach lengths of over 100 feet. With such a variety of sizes and shapes, it's safe to assume that their sleeping habits were just as diverse. Now, one of the coolest pieces of evidence we have comes from fossil discoveries. In 2004, paleontologists in China stumbled upon something extraordinary: a fossilized dinosaur that appeared to be sleeping. This little guy, a small feathered dinosaur called Mei Long, was found curled up with its head tucked under its arm, just like modern birds do. Talk about a power nap that lasted 130 million years. But what about the big boys? How did a T-Rex or a Brachiosaurus catch some shut-eye? Well, it's all about biomechanics, folks. Scientists have studied the bone structure and muscle attachments of various dinosaur species to figure out their most likely resting positions. For example, some researchers believe that large theropods like T-Rex might have slept standing up, kind of like horses do. Why? Well, imagine trying to get a 7-ton body up off the ground every morning. Talk about a workout. Standing sleep would have allowed them to react quickly to threats or opportunities. On the flip side, sauropods with their long necks and tails probably couldn't sleep standing up without toppling over. These gentle giants likely lay down to sleep, possibly in groups for protection. Imagine a herd of diplodocus snoozing together. Now that's a slumber party. But here's where it gets really interesting. Some scientists think that dinosaurs might have slept with one eye open, literally. This behavior, called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, is seen in modern birds and some marine mammals. It allows one half of the brain to rest while the other half stays alert for predators. Pretty nifty, huh? Now, let's talk about sleep cycles. Did dinosaurs dream? Did they snore? Well, we can't know for sure, but based on their closest living relatives, birds and crocodiles, it's likely that dinosaurs experience different sleep stages, including something similar to REM sleep. And get this, some researchers even suggest that the extinction event that wiped out the dinosaurs might have caught many of them sleeping. Talk about a rude awakening. Or, well, you know what I mean. But wait, there's more. Recent studies have shown that some dinosaurs might have been nocturnal. Yep, night owls of the Mesozoic era. By examining the size and shape of dinosaur eye sockets, scientists can make educated guesses about which species were active during the day and which preferred to party all night long. So what does all this mean for our understanding of dinosaur behavior? Well, it paints a picture of complex creatures with varied lifestyles and adaptations. Some were probably early birds, pun intended, while others were night hunters. Some cuddled up in groups while others preferred to sleep solo. And here's a mind-blowing thought. The way dinosaurs slept might have influenced their evolution. Think about it. Sleep postures could affect things like body temperature regulation, which in turn could impact growth rates and metabolic efficiency. It's all connected, folks. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is all great, but how can we be sure? And you're right to be skeptical. After all, we're talking about creatures that lived millions of years ago. But that's the beauty of science, my friends. It's a constant process of discovery and refinement. Paleontologists are always on the lookout for new evidence. They're studying modern animals, using advanced imaging techniques on fossils, and even creating computer models to simulate dinosaur biomechanics. It's like CSI, Jurassic Edition. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll discover a perfectly preserved dinosaur fossil that gives us definitive proof of their sleeping habits. Until then, we'll keep digging, theorizing, and imagining. So, the next time you're tucking yourself into bed, spare a thought for our prehistoric pals. Maybe curl up like a May Long, or try sleeping standing up like a T-Rex. Just kidding. Please don't do that. And hey, if you have trouble falling asleep, just count Stegosauruses jumping over a fence. That ought to do the trick. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible work of paleontologists and researchers who piece together these prehistoric puzzles. Their dedication helps us understand not just how dinosaurs lived, but how life on Earth has evolved over millions of years. And remember, folks, the study of dinosaur sleep isn't just about satisfying our curiosity. It's about understanding the biology and behavior of these amazing creatures, which in turn helps us better comprehend the history of our planet and the evolution of life itself. So next time you're at a museum gawking at those massive dinosaur skeletons, take a second to imagine them not just running and roaring, but also curling up for a good night's sleep. It's a reminder that even the mightiest creatures need their rest, just like us. Well, that's all for today, Dino detectives. I hope this little journey through prehistoric bedtime has given you some food for thought. Who knows? Maybe you'll dream of dinosaurs tonight. Just watch out for those sleep-stomping sauropods. Until next time, keep fostering that curiosity and remember, in the grand scheme of things, we're all just a bunch of sleepy animals trying to make it through the night. Sweet dreams and don't let the velociraptors bite.